Hi everyone, this is Becky from Super U. Today I want to show you one of our finished projects, the eyeglass door display fixture. It made of MDF with laminate board in wood grain and white colors and marble material. Let me show you some more details. This is one of the eyeglass cabinets, and the top is for the light box. You can change any light box you want. And here is the shelf. You can put your eyeglass. And the bottom is for your storage your eyeglass. Also with shelf here. And this one is the wall cabinets. The top is with the shelf. In the bottom of the shelf, there is the LED here. You can light up your eyeglass. And the bottom are with 4 drawers here. You can just open the drawer and put your eyeglass here. And this one is all white color cabinet. The bottom, the wall cabinet with door, and inside with shelf. You can put your eyeglass inside. And also with sink here, the bottom, also with the storage here. You just open the door, can put your stuff. The wall top is made of artificial marble material in its white color. This one is the wall shelf for the eyeglass. And under the shelf there is the LED light, and the shelf there is different colors. On the top shelf it's white color, and around the shelf and the bottom and it's wood grain color. This cabinet is all white color, and there is many drawers here. You can put your stuff here. Open directly, and the top are made of artificial marble and white color. The top also with shelf here. You can put your stuff on here. And with open storage here, also with shelf. These bar cabinets are with the white marble on wall top. This bar is made of artificial marble on wall top and MDF with laminate board in wood grain color inside. And with very huge storage, you can put your stuff here. This is all our projects kit. If you have any needs for the store design, you can contact us for more detail. We provide you with one-stop solution. Thank you very much.